Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, my name is Bharat Thakur and today we will be working on the abdomen muscles. Abdomen has to be understood better. Now, abdomen, if you want to work, make sure you work on the back together. Because if you, simple as that, if you exercise only your biceps, what will happen to your triceps? Similarly, this back holds your entire body. And that's why to hold the back also perfect, you need the strength in the abdomen. So very important, this abdomen area. Please do Indhan Daud, artistic yoga Indhan Daud. This is simply move your body. Do it for 2 to 3 minutes. And by doing this, your pressure, that means your heart rate will improve, your whole blood circulation in the body will improve. The basics of your body will set right. If you directly do in a cool off body, abdomen is not going to work. The first exercise of the abdomen, if you want a flat ab, is to work on your leg. I'm so sorry, but that's the way it begins. Feet shoulder width apart, beautifully. Balance your body nicely. Feet straight, hand here. Now, slowly exhale and go down. Hold for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly come up. Keep the knee and the toe, this angle, the knee and the toe, knee should not cross the toe. So you have to push your bum back more and hold. 1, 2, 3. Do 6 reps, 7 reps, 10 reps, depending upon how much quickly you want the abdomen to go and what is your strength. If you work on your longer muscles, believe me, abdomen is going to get flatter. And then let's first of all start, after warm up little, that is to stretch the muscle. Abdomen muscle works well if you contract, stretch and tone. Inhale and stretch. Nicely. Here, your knees on the ground. Beautiful. Stretch. And you feel that stretch in your abdomen area. Now, this basically is the orientation to your abdomen muscles to see that the body is perfect and it's stretching well. Here, when you're holding your final pose, breathe slow. By this, your abdomen now is ready for a nice toning and contraction. Lie down, relax your body, easy body. Here, feet together. Pad. Just hold up to 45 degrees. Now here, you see your upper abdomen is on complete fire. Just nicely hold. Now those who have a backache, make a diamond shape like this under your hip. Place it here and then do this. Those who don't have backache and has enough strength can do the swing. Second, just bring your leg up to 90 degrees. Hold there. Exhale, relax your body. And down. Take 2 to 3 breaths nicely. And now we do a bit of a toning. So come up here, relax your body, move your one leg here, hold, up, hold, up, hold. And relax. Beautiful. And the last one is once again Bhujangasana. But this time we will do Sarala Hasta Bhujangasana. That means toes inside, right prana on your right nose, awareness on your right nose. You want the Surya Nadi to be activated. Inhale and stretch well and stay there. Now all that contraction you did, that needs to be really stretched out well. And if you do this combination of the postures, you're going to have, I always say, the biscuit is inside, the cream is on top. These postures will definitely help you to get rid of your stomach. Thank you. Lots of love. Bharat Thakur.